Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the WORX WG163 GT 3.0, the 20V PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. Well, that's a mouthful, but just think of it as a high-powered, battery-operated weed whacker. And this particular one has over 10,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. WORX also offers various combinations of trimmers, leaf blowers, and batteries, as well as some other items as well. So check those out. This product features instant line feed, an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, free spools for life. Wow. And the batteries, of course, are included. 2 powerful and lightweight 20V PowerShare MaxLithium batteries. And these batteries can also be used on any other tool in the WORX PowerShare family. That's convenient. It's got a spacer guard and has 12 inches of cutting diameter. It also weighs less than 6 pounds, so great maneuverability. The head tilts a full 90 degrees so you can trim in tight, awkward spaces and even on uneven terrain. And the handle is fully adjustable as well, so you can find a position that's comfortable to work in. Now let's check out a helpful review by a verified purchaser called Perfect for the Mechanically Challenged. I'm a single female who has an unfortunate amount of yard work. I gave up on the gas-powered weed trimmer that was a leftover from my former marriage. I spent more time figuring out the line than trimming. It killed my back and shoulders. Last but not least, with gas-powered yard machines, I never know how much oil to mix, what kind of gas to put in, and so forth. I'm not mechanical, so my quest for an easier and lighter weed trimmer began. I landed on this WORX trimmer due to Amazon reviews and popularity, along with other marketplace reviews. I've used the weed trimmer after 3 mowing cycles. So far, no regrets. It's economical. I have almost an acre of yard, so the second battery comes in very handy. If I decide I want a third battery, I can easily pick up another. As an added bonus, I got a great deal on the 4-year warranty. Well, there you go. I think anybody can appreciate user-friendly design. So pick up your WORX PowerShare 12-inch cordless string trimmer today. You're gonna love it. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. Nice.